How to use Talkback for screen reader navigation. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to use Talkback for screen reader navigation. So now let's get started. First of all, go to Settings. Now here, search for Accessibility. Now click on Talkback and simply toggle it on.
Pause. Selfie withdraw. Collapse. Edge panels. With edge. Settings. Edge panels. Panels. Navigate pause. Button. Window Samsung capture. Navigate up. Button. Window panels.
When the talkback is on, swipe right or left to move between items, double tap to select an item, swipe up or down to scroll, move your finger to hear items. So use these gestures to navigate your device with talkback. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.